without even being aware. These are the mistakes that you are making that is preventing you from making lots of sales online, especially if you're a business owner. Scratch that, a solution provider that uses WhatsApp to sell. You might think that your product is not good enough, but the real reason why you are not making lots of sales is because of these mistakes you continuously do. And that is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So get comfortable, grab a cup of coffee, tea, or whatever that tickles your fancy, and listen. Let's talk about these mistakes that you are making as a business owner. Scratch that, as a solution provider that is selling on WhatsApp. I personally, I made these mistakes when I was selling skincare products years ago. I was making these mistakes even though I was selling a product that is supposed to fetch me lots of money. I mean, skincare products that boost women's confidence, even men's confidence, that clears skin issues, makes women and men glow. Why is it not supposed to fetch? It's supposed to fetch me money now. Like such a product is supposed to give me tons of money. But the reverse was the case. I was poor as a church rat. So now we are going to discuss the mistakes you are possibly making that is preventing you from selling out the way you are supposed to sell out. And because I don't want you to go through the struggles, the challenges I went through then as a business owner selling skincare products a few years ago, I created something for you, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. This is a digital product that has 10 plus tools and resources that will help you sell smarter and not harder. That will help you make sales, which is the ultimate reason why we are doing business. You are doing business so that you make money, make profit, have money, not just because you want to answer a business owner, right? So when you get this bundle, it has tools that will help you. If you want to know more about it, go to the description box, you'll see the link there. And when you click on the link, you'll be directed to where you read more about it and then you decide if you want it. But personally, I recommend that you get it. Now, let us dive right into the topic. The first mistake that you're making as a business owner, scratch that, as a solution provider who uses WhatsApp to sell, is that your profile doesn't build trust. Okay. Now, as a potential customer that wants to buy from you, I don't want to come to your DM ready to buy from you and I check your profile. There's no profile picture, it is empty, or it is looking unprofessional, it is unclear. I might start having trust issues, like I might start not trusting you. It's not nice. You have to do something about it. That is the first mistake you're making because now, as a potential customer, some people are so sensitive that they might not trust you because of that. Yes, that alone can terminate some people's trust instantly. So please put a professional headshot there, or it could be your logo or your business flyer banner, you know, understand, something there that signifies that, oh, this is a business account, this account is for running business, it's for inquiries, it's for making sales, you know. The second mistake you're making as a business owner, scratch that, as a solution provider that is selling online, especially when you're using WhatsApp, is talking like a seller instead of a friend. Now, I know that you're a business owner, but then WhatsApp is already for personal conversation. Yes, it's a messaging platform, but it's for chatting with friends, chatting with your colleagues, family members. You understand? Now, as a business owner, if you are always using salesy language, it might push people away. You have to talk like a friend. You have to converse as somebody that cares genuinely, not someone that just wants to make money, not someone that wants to get money out of the potential customer's pocket and put in his or her pocket. Give genuine solution to their problem. Now, if someone comes to your DM and tells you about their problem, don't be fast to send your price list and tell them, oh, it is available. The cream that you need for clearing your spots is available. No, listen to them. Okay? Take your time and listen to them. Hear them out. Let them ask you questions. Let them feel comfortable. With you. Act like a friend who is genuinely concerned and wants to profile a solution to their problem. Because remember, you're a solution provider, not just a business owner. That is why I'm always calling you solution provider. So that you understand. You're here to give them, or rather profile solution to their problem, not just collect their money. Because once you are doing this, once you are acting like a friend, you are literally making them more comfortable with you, and they can easily refer you to their friends, and they can easily come back because you genuinely care. And when you genuinely care, people know, they can feel it. So I want you to remember that acting like a friend instead of a business owner, instead of somebody that just wants to collect their money, will fetch you more sales than when you don't. The third mistake that you might be making as a business owner, scratch that, as a solution provider that is selling on WhatsApp, is that you are posting only when you want to sell. You only show up when you are ready to make money. Maybe let's say you made a huge profit from the sale of some products, and then you disappear. We don't see you again for like 3 days, 5 days, a week. You are nowhere to be found. You did not post on WhatsApp. Nobody saw your brake lights. Nobody saw your flyer. You just disappeared. And then when eventually you you're through with spending that money, oh, you want money urgently, you now come back with buy now, buy now, buy now. That is what you're posting everywhere. Please support my business. Please, oh, I need you to, I don't want to go back to the village and patronize me. Man, see money chop. You're not telling us to patronize you so that you will see the money to use and eat. When you are doing this, why don't you know that you are making people lose interest and even lose trust? I want you to show up always. Yes, it might not be easy. As humans, sometimes we just want to give up and but try and show up consistently. It will pay off, okay? The fourth mistake you might be making is not showing proof or results. If you really want to make sales online, take it from me. You need to show your results. You need to show your proof. Because when you have a juicy offer and you are telling us to buy without even showing us proof that it works and that you have results, sometimes it feels like they are taking risk. So if you really want to make sales online, combine these two things. And there's one more thing you can combine. I spoke about it in my other video. You see proof, you see your offer, juicy offer, irresistible offer. This will fetch you sales like mad if you know what you are doing. So, if you really want to make sales online as a business owner that is selling online, you need to show proof. You need to post those reviews, those testimonials, show us, let us believe, let us know that you're in business, let us know that people are patronizing and getting results, let us know that people are buying the products, using it, and getting results. Most times, people don't buy hype, they buy the evidence. The fifth mistake you might be making without even realizing it, as someone that sells online, as someone that wants to make sales, a lot of sales online, is that you are selling so much and giving little value. Now, every post shouldn't be about discount, money, offer. If not, your audience might get tired and then they'll stop viewing your status. All right, they'll stop giving you attention. Sometimes give us value, sometimes teach us. Let us understand what is going on. Let us know that you know your onion. Let us be like, okay, this person really knows what she's doing. Okay, I'm learning from this person. Yes, let us get value. Let's get other things from you, not just every time you're telling us, come on, buy, come on, buy. You're posting your offers. Okay, educate us. Educate us. Variety, you need to bring other types of content, not just selling always. Bring other types of content. Tell us stories, personal stories, okay? Now at this point, I don't want this video to be too long. So if you want to see the rest of the video, do well to subscribe to this channel so that when I post the second part of this video, you'll be able to know when I post. Not just subscribing, but also hitting the bell notification so that whenever I post, you'll be in the know. You will know. YouTube will notify you so that you can easily watch the video and know the mistakes not to do as a business owner that wants to make plenty sales online. Okay. Now, if you are aware of these mistakes, because you're aware you will not do them, and then you will have sales coming in. You no longer be complaining that, oh, I'm not making sales online, or I'm tired of advertising, I'm tired of selling, I'm tired of posting content without getting results. Whereas there are some people that are selling out every day using the same app that you're complaining about. All right. So do well to subscribe, leave a comment. If you have a question, leave it down below, and see you in the part 2 of this video. Take care.